campsite. It's a little cold, but that's not too bad. It's a little windy up here. We're gonna try to start a fire. We forgot our fire starters, but it wouldn't be a camping trip if we didn't forget something.
We are at Gardens of the Gods in Shawnee National Forest in southern Illinois. It's about 50 degrees right now. It says it feels like 42. It's not too bad out. We're from northern Illinois where it is a lot colder right now. It is kind of windy, but again, it's still not too bad. We have a little bit more of the daylight. So we are going to set up camp and then have some dinner.
This is what we were working with. We got the tent up. It's super windy. It was a lot harder than I thought, but now that it's up, I think we understand how it goes up, so the next time will be a lot easier.
Not that bad. It's just windy.
Got a good fire going. But yeah, in the dark, windy, first time putting up a new tent. I would advise against doing it that way.
Our second time ever putting up a tent.
Yes. But you know what? We did it. We're proud. We're gonna cook some chili and we're gonna relax and we're gonna enjoy some peace and quiet. All right, what do we got cooking over here? A little
chili?
A little midnight chili.
Feels like it. All right, we set everything up. We've got the tent set up. We've got our bedding in it. We are going to give you guys a tour of it tomorrow. And right now we are making some tea before we go in our tent and probably watch some movies or some Friends.
Yeah, probably Friends. I admit it. I like Friends.
The night. It wasn't too bad. It was windy. I couldn't warm up, so we went into the car to just blast the heat, warm ourselves up, and after that I slept like a baby. Now we are going to make some breakfast and probably pack up and then go on a hike. There's actually some snow and sleet in the forecast, which we came south to escape, but it is following us, and that's supposed to start in the next couple of hours, so we're going to pack up everything so we can get out of here when that does start.